Hello everyone, welcome. In this guide video, I will walk you through how to get started with Pagifye, including what is it and how to build a landing page in Webflow using Pagifye components in just a few clicks. Also, I will show you all the necessary steps you need to follow. Let's get started. First things first, what is Pagifye? Well, Pagifye is a powerful and a large component library that bridges your design workflow in Figma, Webflow, and Tailwind. Also framers soon with Pagifye. You can get thousands of components that are ready to use to make your design and development process even faster. Now, you can navigate all the components here and see. You can also navigate by a section. We have built lots of sections here. You can quickly jump any of the section, and you can find your loved ones. You can switch between wireframe to UI design. Also light gray and dark themes. You can copy any of the components for Figma, Webflow, Tailwind, and paste it directly into the tool. That's a quick overview of Pagifye. And now let's build a landing page in Webflow. As you see, we have two different libraries here, Root UI and Maple UI. For this, I'm going to choose the Root UI to build a landing page. And I will guide step by step. Let's build. To use Root UI with Webflow, first we need to clone our style guide. To clone our style guide, you can find the link on the right. And you can click on Clone Style Guide. Let's click on that. It will take you on this page. And you can make a copy of our official Root UI. Starter pack here, so let's clone the style guide. Now we are in our Webflow account. If you have multiple workspace, you can choose your workspace here, where you want to keep the copy. And I'm choosing this Flowfy. And after choosing the workspace, now we need to click on Create Site. Need to give it a name here. Let's name it Demo Site. And let's click on Create Site. Now we are in the Webflow Designer. We have successfully created a copy of our style guide. With the style guide, you have got a home page and a style guide page. Let's go to the style guide page. Here you can see lots of preview classes. For typography colors, if some effects, some UI elements like buttons and fonts and input, and some structure classes to manage and scale your website. If you are familiar with a client first, we try to follow the client first system with some select changes to match our brand and to fulfill our needs. Let's go to the home page. And here you can see a banner. But we don't need it, so select on the class. Delete this and press the delete button. Now we are good to go, but you might wonder, why do I need to clone this style guide? Well, let's be real. Nobody wants to create a website in a way that is not manageable, scalable, and maintainable. And without system, we cannot manage things right, which is why our style guide tells the story. Now we recommend cloning this style guide once, keeping a copy of it in your workspace, so that whenever you want to create another site, you can duplicate it, you can use it as a starter pack. But here's a pro tips. You don't need to duplicate this from the site all the time. Instead of duplicating, we can make this style guide as a shared workspace template. Whenever you and your team wants to create a new site, you can start with this, so let's see how it works. To make this site as a shared workspace template, go to the site settings, and inside the General tab, you can find Shared Workspace Template. Let's make this site as a template. Let's click on that and give it a name. I'm giving it a name Starter Packs and confirm it. And it has been made. Let's go to our dashboard. So you can see a tag here, template. Next time when you want to create another site, just log into your account, and as you always do, click on New Site. And instead of choosing blank site, just go to the template. And here you can see lots of template. You can choose if you want, but we want to start with our shared workspace template. So click on that in here. From here, you can go to your shared office space template. Let's select the template and give it a name, My First Site, and click on Create Site. Boom, we're in the website designer. Now, we are ready to copy and paste. and to build our landing page. But before doing that, we need to install our Pagifye Sync extension. Because copying and pasting between different Webflow sites can be tricky. Sometimes it creates unwanted duplicate class names. That's why we build our Chrome extension, and it is designed to help you avoid class duplications as much as possible and easily bind elements to your existing classes. Let's add the extension. To add the extension, you can go to the Chrome extension store and search the Pagifye Sync. And here you can install your Pagifye Sync extension. Or you can go to the Pagifye website and under Product, you can find the link of the extension. You can click on it, and here you can add the extension. Let's add the extension. Here, it's been added now. Let's pin it to the nav bar. But before building the landing page, make sure the extension is initialized with your site. And to confirm that, if the extension is initialized, you will get the message here. But we didn't get any message yet. Let's reload the canvas. And here you can see extension is initialized successfully. Now, we are ready to build. Let's quickly build a landing page. To build a landing page, go to the Pagifye website and choose your section. First, we need a navigation to build this landing page. Let's choose this navigation, but for this time, let's choose the dark theme. Copy the theme and go to your site. Click on that and paste it. Let's copy a hero section. We need to choose a hero section for this. Let's choose into this hero section. And quickly just paste it here. Let's choose an icon section. Here we can see lots of icon section, and let's choose this icon section. But for now, let's choose the light ones to keep it simpler. To keep the design consistent, let's paste it. Now choose a feature section. Let's find the feature section and choose a feature section for the landing page. Here we can see which feature section. We can copy this feature section, but for now, let's copy the gray ones. Let's go to this and paste it here. Let's choose an accordion section for now. Let's choose this accordion section, but the dark ones, let's paste it here. Let's choose another icon section, but in the light theme. It'll look cleaner and more consistent. Paste it here, and now, let's choose a FAQ section. And you can choose any of the FAQ section here. To keep the consistency, let's choose this FAQ, but in on gray theme. Let's quickly choose a CTA section. Here you can see lots of CTA. Let's choose a dark CTA section and choose this one. Now we need a photo section. Let's quickly copy and paste a photo section. Let's copy the first one, but on light theme, and paste it. Here you can see you have built a landing page. Complete landing page, and it also responsive. And we have a subtle animation. Perfectly responsive, if you see. Even for the standard smaller and smallest devices. Here you can see sometimes, even with our extension initialized on your site, there is a small catch. Like every Webflow extension out there, the duplicate class name can still slip through. For now, you can just manually adjust it and connect it to your right variables. So just see it didn't bind, so you can manually connect and bind. Okay, just bind it fine. You can just select on that and choose, or you can go through all of your layouts, and you can check like that. To modify any of the style here, let's change an image. So to change the image, select an image. Go to the Asset Settings, and you can upload here. You can upload an image like that. And you can replace your image. Also, you can change your colors here. Here we have a lots of color. So let's assume you have some colors for brand colors, so you can generate the color here. And you can copy and paste to your workflow. Let's change the color here. We changed the color and it's changed. Let's add more colors and copy and paste it. Now you can see all of the color changes according to our new color. Now, all you need to do is just quickly fix some of the issues here. Just find this and let's change the color of the white color. Yep, here the color has been changed. Just like this, you can adjust any sort of changes. And you can change the images. You can upload images here. And change the image in just a few clicks. See, the image has changed. Now, the next one. There you go. Now, let's change the navigation bar color for consistency. See, this looks much more balanced now. Let's go ahead and publish this site. You can select your staging domain or add your custom domain and hit publish. Now you can view your website live and see everything working smoothly. As you can see, the animations run smoothly, bringing your website to life while ensuring everything still looks great across devices. To recap, that's how you can explore Pagifye. Sync it with Webflow and build a beautiful landing page in just minutes. This is only the beginning we can. This is only the beginning as we're continuously improving both our process and most importantly the extension. So your Webflow workflow gets smoother, faster, and even clearer with every update. And if you run into any issues or need assistance, our support team is always here for you. And finally, if you haven't tried Pagifye yet, don't forget to check our Pagifye dashboard for access guides and resources. Now is the perfect time to install extension, clone our style guide, and experience a cleaner, smoother, faster way to build in Webflow. Thanks for watching and happy building.